Okay, so we are going to cover a very quick tutorial on how to get started with the LaTeX files for the book chapter. So if we come to the web page of the book, we have the guidelines page where we uploaded the template file. So now I can scroll down on this page and I can download the template, and it will be downloaded as .zip file. So I don't have to unzip this, or I just check that yes, it is downloaded. And next I move to the overleaf website. I have already logged in, so I can just go to new project and upload the .zip file that I just downloaded. Once this file is uploaded, I can now start to edit this file. So now that I see that it has been uploaded successfully, and once I am in this file, I see that there is some error and I'm not able to produce the output in the PDF format. So all I need to do is to scroll down in this main file, which in this case is run this example.tex, and change the syntax here from backslash include to backslash input. And once I do this and recompile the files, now I can actually get the PDF produced. And all it has to do is basically with the hierarchy of the files, but you don't have to worry about it. Just replace the syntax backslash include with backslash input and it should work. So now I can see that in the chapter file, which in this case is named as ch1.tx, and remember this is where you will basically change everything and input everything. So for example, if I want to change the names of the authors, and let us say in this case we have two authors, so I can say author 1 first name last name and author 2 first name last name, and I just comment out the remaining names. Of course you can have as many names in the chapter as you wish. So here, if I have two authors and I generate the PDF, now I can see that the PDF has been generated successfully, and it shows the two authors. So here we can see this. So now everything is to be done in this file ch1.tex, whether it's related to images or tables or results. So everything is to be included in this file, and once you compile the file, run this example, you should be able to get the PDF. So this is all about how to get started with the tutorial.